How to enable automatic story saving on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to enable automatic story saving on your Snapchat, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find your Snapchat application on your mobile device. For that, you can manually search it by scrolling left or right, or you can go to the search icon on your mobile device. After you find the very Snapchat application, you have to tap on that. And after you tap on that, now the Snapchat application will be launched on your mobile device. After Snapchat application is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to the profile like icon on the top. And after you tap on the profile like icon on the top, now you can see an interface like this. Now here you have to tap on the gear like settings icon on the top, and then you have to just scroll down. After scrolling down, now you have to tap on the option of memories. After you tap on the option of the memories, now you can see the option of autosave my story snaps. Now here you have to go to the option of autosave to memories and tap on it. Now after you tap on the option of autosave to memories, now all of your snaps will be automatically saved in Snapchat memories. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.